If you're running ads in 2026 and don't know whether to spend it on Meta ads or Google ads, this video will save you a whole lot of money. Because choosing the wrong platform doesn't just waste budget, it kills growth. So let's break down exactly where you should invest based on your business. Google ads are intent based. People are looking for what you sell. Meta ads are interruption based. You're showing your product to people that might actually need it. And in 2026, that difference matters more than ever. With Google ads, there's more AI, less manual control, higher CPC, higher quality leads, and it's the best for urgent needs. And with Meta ads, creative matters more than targeting. Cheaper reach, slower conversion, but it's the best for brand awareness. Choose Google if you're a service or a local business, or you want leads fast, or your customers actively search. Choose Meta if you sell a product or a lifestyle brand, you need awareness, or you want cheaper reach. If people search for you, Google wins. If people don't know you yet, Meta wins. Now about cost and ROI. Google costs more per click but converts better. Meta costs less per impression but needs nurturing. So the real question isn't cost, it's profitability. The smartest strategy. Real winners don't choose, they combine. A simple funnel works. Meta for awareness, Meta for retargeting, Google to capture intent, WhatsApp or email to close. Common mistakes you might make. No landing page, no follow-ups, judging too early, and no tracking. Ads don't fail, systems fail. Google is for demand capture. Meta is for demand creation. Use the right one or use both. I am Dia from Nvara. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.